A very pleasant good morning to everyone. I, Tripti Khare, a class teacher of class 6th A, I would like to wish to you all of you a very happy Independence Day. As we all know, we are gathered here to celebrate our 75th Independence Day. So now I would like to say to Anushka Sati to continue the program, means to hosting the program. Wait.
The secret to happiness is freedom, and the secret of freedom is courage. A very good morning to everyone present here, and a warm welcome to respected parents, teachers, and all my dear friends who have taken time from their busy schedule to enjoy this unique celebration of our nation's 75th Independence Day. And now, starting from today's first program, performed by Narisha Thakur for a speech.
Wait, Narisha, I'm going to be unmute you.
My name is Narisha Thakur, class 6th A. I want to give a speech on the occasion of Independence Day. Good morning, honorable guests, for the principal, respected teachers, and all of you. Happy Independence Day. Respected sir, I feel great pride to present the Happy Independence Day. This day, 15 August, is very important in the history of our land. We got freedom from British rule. Our free country is in fact a gift
I'm
of
really
God.
sorry, Narisha, to interrupt you between. Beta, on your camera.
मैम कैमरा ऑन नहीं हो रहा है.
It's okay. Now continue the program.
Respected forces, our youths are very talented in technology, engineering, and medicine. We have a brave and bold army with us. We are a respected country in the world. Our friends like us and our enemies fear us. Respected fellows, this is very important for us. Let's make a promise with ourselves to serve our country. We have to work day and night. Surely the day is not far when our country will be strong and powerful in every field. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
After this amazing speech of Narisha, presenting you Avinash Shivlani, and he will recite a poem.
I am Avinash Sevlani from class 6th. Today I will read a poem. देखो बच्चों ये झंडा प्यारा 3 रंगों से मेल चारा रहे सदा ये झंडा ऊंचा सदा कर आकाश में रहे छूता सदा करो तुम इसका मान कभी न करना इसका अपमान तो झंडा ही है देश की शान बना रहा ये सदा मान.
Wonderful, Avinash. Now you, Anukriti Tiwari, for a solo dance performance.
Happy Independence Day to all.
Superb, Anukriti. Now I would like to call Adi Jain for a Ma'am, can you
Good
hear
morning,
me?
Yes, beta. Wait, I'm unmuting you. Wait.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers. Here I am Adi Jain presenting our speech on Independence Day. जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि आज हम यहाँ पर अपने देश का 75वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाने के उपलक्ष्य में एकत्रित हुए हैं। सबसे पहले मैं आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक बधाइयाँ देता हूँ। 15 अगस्त भारत वर्ष का राष्ट्रीय पर्व है। भारत वर्ष 1857 वर्ष 1947 तक स्वतंत्रता संग्राम लड़ने के पश्चात ब्रिटिश शासन से 1947 को मुक्त हुआ और एक स्वतंत्र राष्ट्र बना। तभी से भारतवासी इस दिन को बहुत ही धूमधाम और हर्षोल्लास से मनाते हैं। आओ झुक कर सलाम करें उन्हें जिनकी जिंदगी में मुकाम आया है। किस कदर खुशनसीब हैं वो लोग जिनका लहू भारत के काम आया है। जय हिंद, जय भारत। हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे टू ऑल।
Great, Adi. Now introducing you to a dance group performed by Mannat Chattani, Gungun Motwani, Bhumi Vaswani, Brinda Patel, and Adya Mishra.
Wait, beta. Adya, I'm going to be unmute you. Wait. Okay, Adya, now you can start on your camera. Now able. Now you can start, beta. Okay, now start, Adya. जितना जोर लगा सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो। Okay, now wonderful
girl.
performance.
Now I would like to call. Now I would like to call for a speech.
I, Shreya Jain. I, Shreya Jain, wishing you all Happy Independence Day. On this day, I am going to deliver speech. Today, on 15 August, we celebrate Independence Day by many struggles made by our freedom fighter India, and India now stand with head high. Today, we honor our great freedom fighter. On this day, I want to share a slogan. सारे जहां से अच्छा है हिंदुस्तान हमारा। महात्मा गांधी करो या मरो, भगत सिंह इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, सुभाष चंद्र बोस जय हिंद, जवाहरलाल नेहरू आराम आराम है। थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे टू ऑल।
Amazing share. Now presenting you Swaresh Shukla with a dance performance.
Okay, Sarit, now you can start. Unmute yourself.
हमें तड़पाते हैं, वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, देखो कब आओगे, कि तुम दिन ये घर सोना सोना है। मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती, सबसे अच्छे प्यारी गाड़ी तेरी सूरत प्यार है, बस तेरा प्यार ही माँ तुझे सलाम, तुझे सलाम, तुझे सलाम। अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते रहना, अब तो हमें सभी है बस इतना ही कहना। जो ऐसे तू दिल दुश्मन कहते हैं, थोड़ी सी मेरी थोड़ी सी खुशबू आई थी मस्त थोड़ी सी वो करने वाली जिनमें हो जुनू जुनू हो मेरी लाल लबू तू मिला मिला ले मेरे रंग जो खिला खिला ले और मोहे को रंग से बसंती यारा मोहे को रंग से बसंती।
थैंक यू मैम।
Super. Now I would like to call and
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I am Yashashvi Chawla from class 6th A. Today I am going to narrate some lines on Independence Day. Today is our 75th Independence Day, so I want to congratulate everyone. We hoist the national flag on this day. Everybody sing the national anthem. It is celebrated with full joy. Freedom fighters are proud of our country. Independence Day tells us the history of freedom of India. Many are wounded and many are shoot. And this is how the freedom we got. We are born in independent India, but our freedom fighters are not. So we should respect them. Independence Day is the symbol of our freedom, unity, and live together to maintain the freedom in the future. Let's be proud to be Indian. Our country is melodious tune. Let's sing together. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you and happy Independence Day to all.
Superb, Yashashvi. And now I would like to call our class teacher, Ms. Khare ma'am, to, to vote of hand.
Okay, so now wonderful performance to given by the all lovely students. I'm really thankful to the parents who have given the opportunity to the students to perform in the little program which we held during by the class. I'm heartily thank to the parents who have joined this program, and heartily thank to the students who have given a lot of hard work to make this little program to successful, like a speech who have given Anisha Thakur, Shreyas Jain, Adi Jain, group dance by the students, lovely girls, and especially thanks to the Anushka Sati who hosts the program, Avinash Sevlani for the lovely poem, solo dance by the Anupriti and the स्वरी शुक्ला लवली 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 बेटा बहुत ही अच्छा आप लोगों ने डांस किया एंड यू हैव गिवन अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट टू मेक दिस लिटिल प्रोग्राम टू सक्सेसफुल सो नाउ आई वुड लाइक to say to Avinash Sevlani to play the national anthem, because with the end we will play the national anthem, and I request to all the students to stand on your place for the national anthem.
शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जय गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Okay, now thank you to everyone to join this little program and make this program to successful, and thank you so much. Now we are going to be end this program and we will soon provide this recording to you in your class group. Thank you so much everyone, and at the last I want to wish you a very very happy Independence Day to all. Bye everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.